Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another interesting video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an advanced Bitcoin or broker website. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Prince. I'm a full stack developer and also a mobile app developer. I come right here and show you guys how to do the same. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this great video you're about to watch. So as usual, here is a demo or an overview of what we're going to be achieving in this video. So I'm just going to head over to the subdomain where I install the demo, and then I'm going to hit enter guys. So guys, here is a preview of the home page of this broker website, and over here we have home, about us, business plan, contact us, FAQ, login, sign up. And over here we have sign in and sign up. We build freedom financially where innovation exists. And over here we have a scroll down. So right here we have a detailed about us, and we have learn more. Over here we have our mission, our vision. We have confidence, we grow every second, invest and work with 3,358 running days. We have business plan, referral commission, sponsor bonus, overriding bonus, fast start bonus. We have our package, and over here we have bronze, we have percentage 3%, we have maturity 24 hours, payment Bitcoin, Ethereum. Over here we have silver, $500, percentage 7%, maturity 24 hours, payment Bitcoin, Ethereum. Over here we have standard $2,000, percentage $10, maturity $48, payment Bitcoin, Ethereum. And we have other package. So over here we have customers testimonial, they offer great investment return and profits, more and so on. And right here we have a currency converter, and over here we have the footer guys. So I'm just going to scroll right to the top. I'm going to click on the about us page guys. So guys, right on the about us page we have who we are, and this is a detailed report of what the company stands for. And then we have the footer, and then I'm going to come over to business plans. So under business plans we have all the packages which a subscriber can subscribe to, and we finally have the footer. And let's look at the contact us. So on the contact us section we have form, get connected, follow us, and we finally have the footer guys. I'm going to scroll to the top, and right here we have FAQ, we have the login, and then the sign up guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and then sign up on this platform. So to be able to sign up we need to provide some of our personal information, and over here full name, I'm just going to go ahead and put in my full name. I'm just going to write Don Joe, and over here I'm just going to put in a username Don Joe, and then I'm going to set my password, and then I'm going to confirm password. I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to put in my email address. I'll make sure I'm entering a valid email address, and then over here we have phone number, which is optional. I'm just going to go ahead and put in my phone number. I'm going to scroll down, and here it says select country, which is compulsory. I'm just going to go ahead and select United States guys. I'm going to scroll up, and over here it said your Litecoin address. I'm just going to put in some manual address. Bitcoin, it's a Litecoin address, it's incorrect. I'm just going to leave this empty since I don't have a Litecoin address, but you can actually fill this form with a valid address. Then I'm just going to come over here and then proceed to register now guys. So it says registration successful, signed in successfully guys, and then I should receive a mail regarding my registration. I'm just going to go over to my mail and then check for the mail which was sent. So guys, this was the mail which was sent to my email. It says, hi Don Joe, welcome to the name of the platform of over 700 plus active trader. It's a pleasure to welcome you. Trading account reflects the trading condition of premier account. You're just a few steps away from trading with us. And over here we have email, password, username, and then you can save these login details for future purposes. So I'm just going to go ahead and then have access to my users dashboard, and over here we have a very clean and responsive users dashboard. And then over here we have a very clean and responsive users dashboard. So guys, over here we have a translator whereby customers can translate in different options. So over here we have profile, and right here we have a live trading condition, and over here we have the total deposit. We have $0.00 because this is actually a new account. Over here we have total withdrawal, we have account balance, we have recent deposits, we have pending withdrawals, we have total active investments. So over here we have a live trading condition for Euro USD FXCM, and we can come over here to change the currency pair we want to view here. And over here it says market is closed because I'm actually shooting this video on a Saturday, so the market is closed. So this actually shows that this is working in a wait time, and then this shows the pressure of the people buying and the pressure of the people selling. And over here we have the economic calendar, guys. This is so great, guys. And over here I have the web trader. I feel like the fun part about this website is the fact that it's so real. Like, you can actually see everything in real time. It's so real, it's very legit, and so on. So over here we have the web traders, and this basically should bring a terminal whereby you can actually trade on the web. Over here we have the fund account. This is a spot whereby you can actually fund your accounts with an amount which you are going to be using for investment purpose. So it says select a payment method and make a deposit. Your trading account will be credited once it has been confirmed. Buy Bitcoin and altcoin, click here. So basically this is like an advert from vendor, and over here we have deposits now, XRP deposit now, we have Bitcoin deposit, we have XRP deposit, and so on. So I'm just going to click on deposit now under Bitcoin, and then it brings the Bitcoin cash method, payments method, enter amount, username, email address, and then you go ahead and then submit. I'm just going to go ahead and then put in an amount that is $2,000, and then go ahead and then click on this link to confirm, and then go ahead. So I'm just going to click on this checkbox to confirm, and then go ahead and click on submit, guys. So over here it brings up a wallet address I can pay with, which is this is just a random wallet address. It says pay using the BTC wallet app or scan the QR code. Your trade account will be credited once your payment is fully confirmed. If you don't know how to buy Bitcoin Cash, click here. So this is basically a video link that shows a user or a customer on how to buy Bitcoin Cash. And over here we have make investment. So this is the section whereby you can actually pick an investment plan and then make investment, guys. So we have this $5,000 maximum amount, $10,000 total profits, 15% duration, 72 hours. So the cool thing about this broker website is the fact that it's easily explained itself. I don't know if I'm the only one seeing this, that it speaks for itself. You don't have to wonder what is this section talking about. It's already sell itself. So over here we have the withdraw. So this is basically an interface whereby you can actually withdraw your money. We have a lot of payment method withdrawal requests. We have perfect money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, PA, other XRP, bank transfer, ton, and so on. So you just go ahead and put in a withdrawal amount and then go ahead and proceed. But presently this account has 0.00, but as time goes on in this video we're going to be funding this account with some amounts. And over here we have the deposit history. So this is basically a deposit list of the transaction done on this website. And remember, we actually made a pending transaction which we are yet to actually credit the wallet address with any amount. So that is why we are still having the status pending until admin has actually confirmed that this money has been sent. Then this status will be changed to approved and the money will be added to the wallet. And over here we have the investment history, and this is basically your transaction history. It says you have not invested in any investment package yet, which you can actually tell that I haven't made any investments yet. And over here we have my referrals, and this is basically a link you can share to those who you want to be among your referral list, and then you make money from referrals on this platform. And over here we have my accounts, and this is basically the account details for this user, Donjo, username, password, account level, investments, and many more, guys. And then we have the currency type USD, BTC address, none has been put yet on this platform, and so on, guys. I'm just going to scroll down, and over here we have send feedback, so you can easily send feedback on your thoughts or what you're having issues with on this platform. We have full name, we have email, subject to write to us, and then you just go ahead and then send whatsoever complaint you have regarding the website. I'm going to scroll down, and over here we have change password, and right here we have security. So this is basically a more way to secure your account. So this is basically the security interface, whereby we have detect IP address. You can decide to turn it on, detect browser change, you can decide to turn it on or turn it off. So it's basically a way to secure your activities on the site more. And right here we have your balance. Here we have the fund account, which we've seen how it works. So basically we can all tell that we do have a very responsive and clean users dashboard. So let's go ahead and then see how the admin dashboard looks like, and see what actions can be performed in the admin, guys. You don't need to worry, sit back. I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned in this video. So if you're actually looking for a perfect way or a perfect broker website for your business or whatsoever you're running, then you should make sure you stick to this video. And if you're enjoying this video, I would advise you to make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share so that other people can benefit from this great video you are watching. So I'm just going to go ahead and then just copy this link and then open a new tab and then access my admin dashboard. I'm just going to remove this and then go ahead and then put the uadmin. So this is basically the link to access the admin dashboard, and it's going to bring up a login interface to be able to access the admin dashboard. So right here we have the admin login form, which is so special, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and put in email and then go ahead and put in password, and then I'm just going to go ahead and then click login to be able to have access to my admin. No doubt we also have a very simple admin back end. Total investors, we have 3. Total invested, we have 8. Total amount withdrawn, we have 0. Requested withdrawal, total amount deposit 9910. So let's go ahead and see user management and see all users. So over here we have all users registered on this platform. So it says Donjo dev scripts, $0 profit, account balance $0, edit, delete. So I'm just going to click on edit, and let's see the action we can actually perform on a user's profile. So we can actually add balance to referral bonus. I can just go ahead and then add 100, and then I can also add balance to the normal balance, and then I can also set a profit of 100, and then we have referred by. I can actually add that, and then also set a pin. I can just go ahead and put 1 2 3 4, or just leave it and then go ahead and then update. So I've successfully been able to update this user's profile. I'm just going to go ahead and then refresh this. So right here we have $100 fund and account. I'm just going to go ahead and click on dashboard, and on the dashboard interface we have total deposit $2,000. Remember, this $2,000 deposit hasn't been confirmed yet. And over here we have account balance, we have $100, and total active investment we have $0, recent deposit. So let's go ahead and confirm this user's deposit. So if I come to deposit request, so right here we have the $2,000 deposit request, which is still pending. I'm just going to go ahead and then approve, and then it says carry out action. I'm going to say okay, and then it says transaction has been approved. Great, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and then refresh this, and we should have the new balance reflects. So we have $2,100. So guys, the fun thing is that the action which was performed right now, a mail has been sent that $2,000 has been added to your dashboard. So I'm just going to go ahead and then show you guys the mail. So guys, here's the deposit approval mail. Dear Donjo, congratulations, your deposit of $2,000 worth of Bitcoin Cash has been approved successfully and your account balance has been updated. Great, guys. I'm just going to come over to the admin dashboard, and over here we have manage investment. So this is basically an interface whereby you can be able to manage investment done on the portal that is on the website. So right here we have an investment which was made by user@mail.com. Kindly note that these are just for demo purposes for the sake of this video. So we have email@mail.com, we have type bronze plan, we have daily profit 3%. So I can just go ahead and then stop this package and then make this package inactive for this user. And over here we have withdrawal request. So this is basically an interface whereby you can view all withdrawal requests from users as an admin. And over here we have manage plan. So on this section you can be able to add a plan, that is if you want to add more investment plan. So guys, if you notice, it's really not giving you a space to actually like select, is it $100, $500, and so on in this plan management. So this is actually what got my mind in this broker portal. The fact that you don't have to select an investment plan, maybe $100 to $200, you have to choose the days and so on. This gives you the ability to be able to fill every detail yourself. So there's no limitation to the number of days you want to put. You can actually decide to use hours and so on, guys. And over here we have all plans. So this is basically list out the number of packages which was set by the admin. And over here we have send mail, so you can decide to send mail to all users. So for instance, you have an important notification or server downtime you want to send to all your users. All you need to do is to just come over to the subject, to put in the subject title of the message, and then you go ahead and then message all users with the information you want to pass across. And over here we have send mail to a user. So it is actually possible on this platform to send a mail to a particular user. And over here we have the wallet, and this is basically all the wallets which has been set on this platform. We have the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, USDT, Ripple. So these are actually the wallet set on this platform. You can actually update your wallet and so on, guys. And over here we have the settings. This is basically the site settings whereby you can set your Bitcoin wallet, your referral bonus percent. You can decide to put in the subdomain or the domain you're actually using, your site name, email, and so on. So as soon as I change this to whatsoever I want to change it to, my site name automatically updates. So over here we have the account. So guys, that's basically how the admin function works. I know the question in your mind is basically, hi Prince, how do I design a broker website just like what you've just shown? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to design a broker just like what you've just seen. So basically, to get started you need a domain and hosting. So a domain is basically a link which users are going to be using to access your website, and hosting is actually a storage online whereby you'll be hosting your files on the cloud. If you don't know how to go about this, you can actually reach out to me using the details in the description. Then I can actually assist you get a domain and hosting at a very affordable price. So guys, having known this, you'll be sent a cPanel details to be able to have access to your cloud storage whereby you're going to be uploading your files and so on for your hosting. So guys, I'm going to be logging into my cPanel and then show you guys how to actually design an awesome broker website just like what you've just seen. I would advise you guys to make sure you stick to this video to the end. If you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then share so that other people can actually benefit from this video you're watching. So guys, here we have my cPanel login interface. I'm just going to go ahead and then log in, and then it says login successfully redirecting. And the first thing I'm going to do is, since I have a website on my primary domain, I'm not going to be uploading this file on the primary domain. I'm going to be creating a subdomain for my projects. So I'm just going to come over here and then type subdomain and then choose this domain. So here are a list of domains on this website. We have app.inter.com, and I'm just going to go ahead and then create a new domain, and then I'm going to call it BTC. it says enter the domain that you would like to create. I just put in btc.interbridge, then I'm just going to add this. That is the subdomain I'm about to create. And then over here it says public_html folder, which is this. Make sure you don't check this share document truth, and then you go ahead and then click submit. So guys, the subdomain has been created successfully. The next thing I'm going to do is to just come over here, and then I'm going to scroll down and then come over to file manager. So I'm just basically using this cPanel for the sake of this video. So guys, here we have the public_html, and then we have the subdomain which we just created. I'm just going to go ahead and open it, and then we have an empty folder. The next thing I'm going to do is to just go ahead and upload the script which we are going to be using for this project. I'm just going to go ahead and click on upload, and then select file, and then upload the script for this project. So I have the script for this project uploading already, and we are already at 18%. So in a couple of seconds we should have the script uploaded successfully. So while the script is uploading, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and create my database. So to be able to create my database, I'm just going to head over to my cPanel, and then come over to this CP, and then click open link in a new tab, just so it can open my default cPanel interface. So I'm just going to come over here and then type my SQLi, and then I'm just going to click on database wizard to be able to set up a new database for my new project. I'm just going to come over here and call this BTC, guys, and then I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. It is advisable you copy and paste in a notepad so that you will not forget, because if your database details is wrong, your project will not run. I'm just going to go ahead and click on next step. And then I'm also going to come over here and put BTC. I'm just going to remove this, and then come over here and paste this as my password, paste this as my password again, and then create user. If you notice, the details I use are actually the same, so that I can just paste the same details for all and not make mistake. I'm just going to click on make changes to be able to make changes on this database, and I already allowed all privileges. I'm going to come over to the cPanel, and it says my script has successfully been uploaded or installed. I'm just going to come over to the cPanel and then reload. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come over here, click right click, and then click extract, and then I'm going to extract it to this folder, and then in a couple of seconds we should have our script extracted, and then I'm going to reload, and we should have the folder anchor. And then I'm going to go ahead and select all, and then move all files to the main subdomain, which is btc.thedomain.com. I'm going to go ahead and click on move files, and it's going to move all files to that domain. I'm just going to head up to go and delete with this folder. So I'm just going to head up to delete the folder called anchor, and then confirm. So over here we have a lot of folders. Right now we are to connect our database, but before we connect our database, we need to know where our database file is. So over here we have the folder called SQL. I'm just going to open it, and we have the database.sql. So just go ahead and click and go ahead and then download this SQL, and then after that you go ahead and then go back. I'm going to go back, and then I'm just going to scroll down and then locate the folder called config. And then inside the config we have the db.php. I'm going to right click and click on edit, and I'm going to click on edit again to be able to connect my database. I'm going to come over here to username, and then paste my username, come over to password, paste my password, come over to database name, and then paste. And after that I'm just going to click on save changes. So these are successfully saved changes for my database details which was created. And over here I'm just going to come over to the cPanel, and then come over here. I'm just going to come over here and then come over to this logo, and then come to the search and then type PHP my admin. So what we are going to do right now is to just go ahead and then upload the database for our project, because without the database our website is not going to work. So I'm just going to locate the new database which I just created, which is this _BTC. I'm just going to open it and then go ahead and then import. So I'm just going to go ahead and then select the file or choose file, which is the database.sql. We all know that all database file always have the .sql file, I'm just going to go ahead and then choose file. So I've successfully selected the database. So you guys should just ignore the fact that we're having bracket 20. It's because I already have different database downloaded on my computer, so it's just renaming it to the new one. I'm just going to go ahead and then scroll down and then click on import, and in a couple of seconds we should have our database imported successfully, and we have import has successfully finished, 42 queries executed. So over here we have admin, and right here we have the admin login details, name, email admin@mail.com. I can just go ahead and then change this to admin@gmail.com, and right here we have password 123456, and over here we have settings. In case you're wondering how do I set my site's mail or my website is not sending mail, so all you need to do is to just come over to the site URL, and then I'm just going to put in the site URL, that is the btc. So guys, I've successfully added my subdomain here, and over here I'm going to go ahead and put in the support mail. Just going to go ahead and put support. So guys, having set this, it now shows that my website is ready to start sending mail. So without setting this, your website will not send mail. So guys, I've successfully been able to input my site name, site URL. We have site mail referral bonus. I can decide to change this directly here, and I can also decide to change my BTC wallet directly from here. And over here we have wallet, and this is basically all the wallets you can actually set so that users can make payments with any of the wallets which has been set. So guys, I'm just going to go back to my file, and I'm just going to come over here, go back, and then go back and go back. So right here we have lots of folders, and for instance I want to make edit to the index.html, like changing logo or making any important updates. I'm just going to locate the index.html and then right click and click on edit, and I'm going to click on edit again, and this brings me to the source code, and here we have welcome home, and then I can actually change this to BTC. I can actually scroll down and then locate where the logo is. I'm just going to scroll down and then look for the section for the logo. So over here we have images /light logo, and we have images /dark logo.png. so all you just need to do is come to your cpanel and then locate the folder called images, and right here we have images, and then we are going to look for the logo -dark and then logo -white. This is the light logo which we found in our index.html. So all you just need to do is to upload the new logo and then either rename or just go ahead and then change the name and then replace the name in your index.html. And then we have the dark logo. We just go ahead and then look for the logo.png. You go ahead and then update it on your website, and here we have the favicon.png, guys. So guys, when you're done making all your changes, you just go ahead and then save changes, and you're done editing the site. So guys, let's go ahead and then visit our website in a live view. I'm just going to open a new tab and then go ahead and then put in my website domain, and then I'm just going to go ahead and then put this. So guys, we have the subdomain already. I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter, guys. So guys, we have our new website coming up. Boom, we have exactly just like what we had shown in the demo. We have a live chat at the right hand side, and over here we have the sign in and the sign up, and let's just scroll down if it is actually the same. Guys, everything is actually the same. So guys, you can actually make changes and update certain records just like how I had shown you guys. So let's say for instance we want to update this support and this. I'm just going to go ahead and then copy and then come over to the index.html and then come over and then type Ctrl F, and then I'm just going to paste it here and then come over here and then change it to my domain. And then after that, I'm just going to click on save changes and go ahead and then refresh my new website. We're just going to come over here and then hit enter, and then I'm going to scroll down, and then here we have the new details which we have changed it to, guys, and so on, guys. I'm just going to scroll back to the top, guys, and then click on sign in, and let's see the sign in page. So right here we have the sign in page, and I'm going to click on sign up, and right here we have the register page, guys. So guys, this is basically how to design an advanced Bitcoin or broker website. As you can all tell, I left no stone unturned in this video. I showed you guys step-by-step guide on actually how to build a broker website with all these advanced features. So guys, to get the script used in this video, kindly check the description of this video. You will find a WhatsApp link and also a contact you can reach out to. Go ahead and then reach out to our customer support and you'll be attended to. We also build broker website just like this. In case you need one, you can also reach out to us using the link in the description. So guys, if you know you actually enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumb up, like this video, share and subscribe to this channel so that other people can benefit from this video you just watched. Until I see you again, guys, keep learning. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.